My air fryer tacos for the big game turned out amazingly delicious. After removing the meat from the marinade, do not discard the marinade juices, as we will use them later. By the way, I have a step-by-step video demonstrating how I marinate the ribeye here. Preheat the air fryer to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, place the ribeye in the air fryer and set the temperature to 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for 12 minutes. Once cooked, let the meat rest for 7 minutes. It is so juicy and tastes amazing. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, add some butter and the marinade juices. Also, pour in some olive oil. Add your tortillas to soak up the delicious marinade flavor. Then add cheese and fold the tortillas to melt the cheese. Let's check on the meat. It should look great. I've mentioned before how amazing my air fryer is. It cooks really fast because of the turbo blaze technology. Now you can use this beautiful meat as is, but I will take an extra step. I cut it into small bits and heat it up in the pan. Give it a toss, and it is nice and hot, ready to go. Microwave the tortillas for 15 seconds. To assemble the tacos, start with a microwave tortilla, followed by the cheese tortilla. Now add our secret green taco sauce. I also made a video showing how to make our secret green taco sauce, which you can find on our channel. Add the delicious steak on top. Add our pico de gallo, for which I also made a video. You can find it on our channel. Add some crunch to the mix, now fresh lime, and there you have it. Amazing and delicious tacos. I have to admit that my air fryer made my life really easy. I've got mine from the link below.
Delicious. If you don't have an air fryer yet, click it right here.